doing? What? A spirit.
Oh, okay.
Gento. Hey guys,
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to do something.
What?
I'm going doing something like no.
Kawawa naman yung batang to. Oh, Gon has 2 Macqueen. One small and the other one is big. And why this has no eye? And Gon, Gib has a remote control car. Oh, come here. Let me try, Gib.
Let me try. Gento.
Go play your Macqueen car.
What are you doing?
You turn it.
I'm dinosaur.
What?
It's a dinosaur.
Make it pass through. Go.
He's scared of you, Mommy. My toy is scared. He's scared. He's trying to get
Now next, you make him turn around the just like this. That. Okay, go.
You go. Why is not going right
You
there?
go up here. And you go. Move. Make him turn.
You move.
You reverse.
Dento.
Hey, don't reverse. Forward. There. Forward.
No.
So many.
This one is moving, or this one.
They are going to guess
This
which
one.
car is going to move.
Yes.
This one.
Oh, is this the one?
Yeah.
No, don't answer. Is this the one or this one or this one?
This one.
Okay, let's see. Agad-agad?
It's
Walang trail? Again.
It's moving.
This one also moves. This is Gon's car. Oh, you move with car. Gon.
You get it. How about you need to it? Gun. Oh.
No, Gun is coming at you.
The other one is going to talk to you. It's going to talk.
I'm gonna bump you. I'm trying to bump you.
Don't bite me. I'm trying to do it. Tapping. I am tapping you. I can turn like this.
No! Let me go! Hey, let me go! You human! Let me go! Hey! Can you please let me go? Can you please let me go? Hey. I can get off. 1, 2, 3.
First, I'm going to talk to you.
Okay, you talk to the queen.
Why you just moving there?
Yeah, because I want to. Please let me.
Oh,
Yay!
No,
I'm
you-
gonna escape! Let me escape!
No,
Why?
stay. You cannot stay.
No! Let me go!
No.
Let me do my... Oh! That's bad. Look. Gib, who is Macqueen's girlfriend again? It's Sally. This is the one.
Oh,
Let me see. This one?
No. I'm going to save Sally and you pretend to be out. Come on. Jump on my nose.
Yes, yes.
Come on. Jump.
How?
You save Sally. Go, save Sally.
What happened to Sally? Oh no! Oh no! Ah.
Faster, Gon is coming. Give faster. Go, save Sally. Go, save Sally.
He's not. He's ready save.
So the same.
Go.
Look, he's saved. Sorry.
Go.
Go.
Hey, piling master. Ha! Yan ay manggugulo.
Now you save Bitten. Save Macqueen. Going to.
Let's save Macqueen. Let's save Macqueen. Let's save Macqueen. Come on.
Help.
Okay, let's go. No more. Yay. Wala na, no more na. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye to your friend.
Bye-bye.